Hey there, you've probably heard about cryptocurrency before. If not, you might know names like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or Dogecoin. Yep, those are cryptocurrencies. Many people buy them as investments, hoping their value rises. Some also use them as money to buy and sell things. You might have noticed how crypto prices started extremely low and then skyrocketed. Some people made huge gains while others lost money. That's why many are still unsure or even wary of cryptocurrencies. So you might be asking, what exactly is cryptocurrency? How does it work? And what do terms like blockchain and mining mean? In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about cryptocurrency and how it functions. What is a cryptocurrency? Crypto means hidden or secret, referring to cryptography, a method of securing information. Currency simply means money. So cryptocurrency is digital money protected by cryptography and exchanged over a computer network. Because it's digital, cryptocurrency has no physical form. You might have seen pictures of Bitcoin and thought that's what cryptocurrency looks like, but it's not. Crypto exists entirely online. You can send it, receive it, and use it to purchase things just like regular money. Now you may ask, how is cryptocurrency different from money in my digital wallet, like US dollars or euros in my banking app? Traditional currencies like the US dollar and euro are controlled by central banks. To send them, you need a bank or payment service. With cryptocurrency, you can send money directly to a friend without a middleman like a bank. But why doesn't cryptocurrency need a bank? Here's some history. Modern cryptocurrency began with Bitcoin in 2009, created by an anonymous person known as Satoshi Nakamoto. He appears Japanese, and many images circulate of a man assumed to be him because of his name and background, but nobody knows for sure. Unlike traditional currencies like the dollar or euro, which are printed and controlled by central banks or governments, cryptocurrency was created to operate free from control. Some people disliked government control over money, so they developed cryptocurrency to allow direct exchanges without banks or central authorities. So cryptocurrency is actually money, not just an investment like stocks. Yes, cryptocurrency was made to be used as money, like the US dollar, for buying, selling, sending, and receiving money. Over time, though, cryptocurrency became more of an investment. In some countries, like El Salvador, people still use crypto for daily purchases, but most people try to grow their wealth with it. For example, you might buy Bitcoin at $10,000 and sell it at $60,000 to make a profit. Most people avoid using cryptocurrency for purchases because it's volatile. Buying a coffee for 0.001 Bitcoin today might cost 0.002 Bitcoin tomorrow due to rapid price changes, making it unpredictable. This is why most still prefer traditional money for spending and cryptocurrency for investment. Bitcoin started it all, but now there are many other coins like Ethereum, Tether, and even meme coins. That's a simple definition and history of cryptocurrency. Let's move to the next section. How does a cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency relies on blockchain technology. What is a blockchain? Imagine Bob has a notebook where every transaction is recorded. Once a transaction is written, it's locked in and can't be erased or changed. Not only Bob, but everyone in the blockchain network has a copy, so cheating is impossible. If Bob tries to alter the notebook, it will differ from everyone else's and become invalid. Each page in the notebook is a block in the blockchain. When a block fills, a new one is added, forming a chain of blocks, hence blockchain. How does cryptocurrency use blockchain? When a transaction occurs, the details are sent to computers worldwide on the blockchain network. These computers check validity by solving complex puzzles. Once solved and verified, the transaction is added to multiple blocks, linking them permanently. The transaction is then complete. Unlike sending dollars or euros, where a bank processes it, cryptocurrency relies on these computers for validation. Who are these computers? People called miners solve the puzzles and validate transactions. Why? They are rewarded with new cryptocurrency for their work. This process, called mining, is based on proof of work. That's why Bitcoin miners use powerful computers, trying to solve as many puzzles as possible. The more they solve, the more crypto they earn. Not all cryptocurrencies use mining this way. Some, like Ethereum now, use proof of stake, which works differently and will be explained in another video. Cryptocurrency as an investment. The answer depends. Some people made enormous profits buying crypto at low prices and selling when values soared. For instance, buying Bitcoin in 2016 at $500 per coin and selling in 2024 at $60,000 would yield a 13,000% return, a dream for many investors. But like any investment, big returns carry big risks. Cryptocurrency is extremely volatile. Prices can spike or plummet quickly. Buy Bitcoin at $45,000 in May 2022 and see it drop to $16,000 by December, and you'd lose 65% of your money. Then it rose to $70,000 in 2024. This isn't unique to Bitcoin. Most cryptocurrencies experience extreme instability. Why? Volatility comes from supply and demand, market sentiment, regulatory changes, tech development, market manipulation, and more. Biggest drivers are speculation and media hype. Investors often chase trends and popular narratives without full understanding. For example, media coverage of ProShares launching the first Bitcoin ETF caused Bitcoin to surge to $65,000. If confidence fades, panic selling can sharply drop prices, like when China banned crypto and Bitcoin fell to $29,000. That's why the market is unpredictable. Beyond blockchain and mining, here are common terms. First, Bitcoin, the original and most well-known cryptocurrency, often called digital gold. Supply is limited, which can increase value over time. Second, altcoin, any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin, like Ethereum, Solana, and others. Some altcoins are meme coins, like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. Third, wallet. A crypto wallet doesn't store coins but public and private keys. Hot wallets are online, easily accessible but vulnerable. Cold wallets are offline, safer but less convenient. Lose your hard drive, lose your crypto, like James Howells, whose ex accidentally threw away a hard drive holding 8,000 bitcoins. He's still searching a landfill. Fourth, keys. Public keys are wallet addresses to receive crypto. Private keys prove ownership and must stay secret. Fifth, fork, when a cryptocurrency splits due to disagreements. For example, Bitcoin forked into Bitcoin Cash. Some agreed with changes, others stayed with original Bitcoin. Pros and cons of cryptocurrency. Advantages: decentralization, no authority controls it. Accessibility, anyone with internet can participate. Flexibility, send money anywhere, anytime, 24/7. Privacy, transactions are harder to trace than banks, though still public on blockchain. Potential high returns, some coins have gained hundreds of % annually. Disadvantages: volatility, crypto prices swing wildly. Illegal transactions, privacy attracts criminals. Regulation uncertainty, government still figuring out rules. Scams, fake websites and schemes can steal funds permanently. Lack of consumer protection, no institution can reverse transactions. In conclusion, cryptocurrency offers exciting opportunities for those willing to understand its potential. Should you use it? That depends on you. Don't rely solely on this video. Research first, avoid FOMO, and understand risks before diving in. If you want more videos explaining these topics, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.